Right. Good morning, student. We are running the series that name is Exam Decoder for Engineering Mathematics 1. In last lecture, we had been discussed the one example for the check the consistency of the system of linear equation, consistency and inconsistency. In last lecture, that is example is inconsistent. Now, in today's lectures, we are discussing the example means system of equation that is consistent. If the system of linear equation is inconsistent that do not have any solution, if the system of linear equations is consistent that have the solution. This is the system are given that is the non-homogeneous system of equations. That is non-homogeneous system of equations. We are only checking the consistency and inconsistency in lectures. After that, those lectures are coming. In that lectures, we are discussing the check the consistency and solve the system of linear equations. Okay, let us start. This is a question number 2. Test the consistency and inconsistency for system of linear equation. Okay, this is a system are given. Whatever maybe this is system. Now, what is the solution? The questions have the 5 mark weightage. Huh? We want to solve this. Only we are checking the consistency and inconsistency for this. Okay. The given system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to B. A is called a coefficient matrix. X is a variable matrix. B is a constant matrix. So what is coefficient matrix? The first row of that coefficient matrix is coefficient of X, Y, and Z. Means 5, 3, 7. This is the first row. What is second row? 3, 26, 2. What is third row? 3, 2, 10. And what is constant matrix? 4, 9, 5. We are A is equal to this 5, 3, 7. Okay. 3, 26 to 7 to 10. This is a coefficient matrix A. X is a variable matrix X, Y, Z. B is a constant matrix 4, 9, 5. This is constant matrix. Now, augmented matrix represent augmented matrix. We are representing this format into augmented matrix means combinedly we are writing a constant matrix with coefficient matrix. Okay. Now we want to find, we want to check the consistency and inconsistency. Means in the if you want to check the consistency and inconsistency, we want to find the rank of A matrix and rank of A augmented B. If rank of A is equal to rank of A augmented B matrix, therefore that is consistency. That a system of linear equations is consistent. If rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, means A augmented B, therefore this is inconsistent. Okay. Now we want to check. What is the first leading element in row number 1? 5. 5 is a leading element. 5 is a leading element. 5 is the first leading element. Means first non-zero element in row number 1. That is a leading element. If you want to convert that into echelon form, if you want to convert that matrix into echelon form, whatever may be the element which are available below for that leading element, whatever may be the element which are available below for that leading element, make that is equal to 0. But if you observe that the first leading element is 5, 5 is a leading element. And there is no element which are available that is a multiple of 5. Now use the operation change in R2, change in R3, multiply row number 2 by 5, multiply row number 3 by 5. Huh? Means if you are multiplying row number 2 by 5, then this row becomes equal to 15, 135, 130, 10, 45. Means 35, 10, 50, 25. If you are multiplying this, row number 2 by 5, row number 3 by 5. That new matrix get this format. Okay, now let us observe for that this new matrix we get by applying these row operations. Now the leading element is 5. Leading element in the first row that is 5. If you observe that is leading element is 5. And whatever may be the element which are available that leading element that is multiple of 5. Okay. Now you are able to convert that element into 0. Okay, therefore that is multiple of 5. If you want to convert that matrix into echelon, whatever may be the element which are available below for that leading element make equal to 0. Means now what operations we are all applying? The change in R2, R2 minus 3 times R1, change in R3, R3 minus 7 times R1, R3 minus 7 times R1. Okay, there is no change in R1, there is no change in R1, therefore we are writing R1 as it is, R1 as it is. Means what is operation change in R2? Means 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. 130. 3 multiply 3 minus 3 multiply plus 3 is equal to 9. 130 minus 9 is equal to 121. Okay. This is 7. 7 plus 7 multiply minus 3, that is 7 3s are 21. Plus 10 minus 21 is equal to minus 11. Minus 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. 45 minus 12 is equal to 33. Okay. Now in row number 3, 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. Minus 7 multiply 3, 21. 10 minus 21 is equal to minus 11. This is 50. Minus 7 multiply plus 7, the minus 45. 50 minus 45 is equal to 1. 25 minus 7 multiply 4. Minus 7, this multiply 4 is equal to 28. Means minus 28. Means 25 plus 25 minus 28, which will give the minus 3. This is matrix you are observing here. Now let us observe for here this 20 for second row number 2. Row number 2. What is your observation? 121 minus 11 and 33, that are multiple of 11. That are multiple of 11. Now use the operations. Divide row number 2 by 11. Row number 2 by 11. Row number 2 को 11 से divide करो. If you are applying these operations, change in R2, 1 by 11 into R2, that will become, then the matrix will become is equal to this type. Means 5, 3, 7, 4, 0, 11 minus 1, 3, minus 11, 1 minus 3. This is your matrix. Now what we want to do now? Now let us observe row number 2 and row number 3. Row number 2 and row number 3, that rows are same but opposite sign. That elements are available in this row that are exactly same but opposite sign. Now use these operations, change in R3, R3 plus R2, changing R3, R3 plus R2 means 11 minus 11 plus 11, 0, plus 1 minus 1, 0, minus 3 plus 3, 0. Means last row is become equal to 0. Last row will become equal to 0. Now what is matrix? Now A augmented B is a matrix. What is matrix will become? The 5, 3, 7, 4, 0, 11, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, 0. The first in first row leading element is 5. If you want to convert that matrix into echelon format, whatever may be the element which are available below for that leading element, make that all are 0. Okay, that are all are 0 are available here, and this is complete for first leading element. Now go into row number 2. In row number 2, 11 is a leading element. 11 is a leading element. And now what if you want to convert that matrix into echelon format? To make whatever may be the element which are available below for that leading element make equal to 0. Already that elements are 0 are available here. Already that elements are 0 for this available. And if you go into row number 3 is 0 rows. Okay. If you observe that matrix are available into echelon format. Matrix are available into echelon format. Now this combined whole matrix is A augmented B matrix. Whole matrix is A augmented B matrix. Then what is the rank for A augmented B matrix? If the matrix are available in the echelon format, if our matrix are available into echelon form, the number of non-zero rows, if our matrix are available in the echelon form, number of non-zero rows is called a rank for the matrix. If our matrix are available in the echelon format, number of non-zero rows is called a rank for matrix. Therefore, how many non-zero rows are available? 1 and 2. Two non-zero rows are available into A augmented B matrix. Therefore, that rank for A augmented B is equal to 2. Then how many non-zero rows are available in the matrix A? Then how many non-zero rows are available in the matrix A? That is matrix A. We are circle for that matrix A is equal to red color. That how many? That A is also available into echelon format. That how many number of non-zero rows? Their non-zero rows are two non-zero rows. Therefore, rank of matrix A is equal to 2. The rank of matrix is equal to number of non-zero rows if the matrix are available in the echelon format. Now, what is your observation? Your observation is that rank of A augmented B is equal to 2, rank of A is equal to 2. Therefore, your observation is called that rank of A is equal to rank of A augmented B is equal to 2. That is same. Means A की rank और A augmented B की rank दोनों की rank same है. Therefore, this system is system of equations. Therefore, this is a system of equations is consistent. Therefore, this is system of equation is consistent. What is means that if the system are consistent, it is means that that system have the solution. That system has the solution. In today's lecture, we want to only check the consistency and inconsistency. In the further lectures that are going into this series, जो further lecture हम discuss करेंगे in is this series में, in that lectures we are discussing the checking the consistency, inconsistency. If the system are consistent, then in the further lectures we are finding the solutions. If the system are consistent, that have the two type of solution, the unique solution and infinite solutions. We are discuss in this further series for the unique solution and infinite solution. We are stopping here. We are stopping here.